Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today we are going to call this segment Tasty Finds
with Tankman Joe 869.
This is Tankman Joe here. We are going to try Trader Joe's buttered toffee pretzels. I shop at Trader Joe's and this costs $2.99. So it's the holidays. They are always adding new things to their shelves, and so we're going to try these Trader Joe's buttered toffee pretzels. So I'm going to give you two perspectives. This is my and here we go. Not picky, but I do have a palate that's interesting. Some people say it's interesting.
This is how the pretzel looks close up. Quality details. It looks sort of burnt on the back side of it, right there. Or it's infected, I don't know.
So if you're used to buttered toffee peanuts, this is what they did. They actually put like a buttered toffee covering on it, on regular pretzels. So let's give it a try. I have to be honest with you. Growing up, buttered toffee peanuts were my thing. And Trader Joe's did well with the buttered toffee covering, and you get the little salty flavor from the pretzel. What do you think, Tank?
It tastes good, but I don't like how it's salty and the buttered toffee. It doesn't taste that good.
Yeah, I don't know. There's this whole salted caramel craze. Everybody wants to add salt to everything, and growing up, salt on watermelon was supposed to allow the watermelon to be sweeter.
That sounds disgusting. I've never had some. Oh, watermelon's the best though. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I can't get with that. But anyway, on the scale of 1 to 4, with a 4 meaning this is wonderful, I will buy this again, and a 1, I will give it a hard pass. I will rate this as a 2. If I were going to an event, and I know that there are people who like the salty, sweet type of thing, I might bring this, but for my own personal consumption, nah, I think this will be a hard pass for me. What do you think, Tank?
I think it's a 1 out of 4. I would not buy those ever again. They're disgusting.
Okay, so there you have it. That's our opinion. And one thing about Trader Joe's, I do know you could walk in and you can ask them to open up anything, and they will open it up for you and let you try it there. If you are a daredevil, go ahead and buy this, you know. But I'm just giving you my opinion. So anyway, that's it for this segment. Until next time.
Until next time. Until next time.